नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ मु आपन स्वागत करुछि स्टडी एक्यू पीसीएस चैनल रे थंबनेल रे आपण माने देखि परुथुबे मंथली करंट अफेयर्स नै कि मु आसी मंथली करंट अफेयर्स एमसीक्यूज एंड अक्टोबर मासर जते रिलेटेड करंट अफेयर्स गुडी को अछि डिस्कस करिबा। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिबा पूर्व मु आपन को गोटे कहि रखे बहुत पिला माने अछंती जो बाकी जो मंथली करंट अफेयर्स हमें कवर करिछु सेठी से माने कमेंट करूचंदी कि किछि स्टैटिक पोर्शन रो भी क्वेश्चन आसुछि ता रीजन होउछि आपण दी करंट अफेयर्स रो ट्रेंड को देखिबे करंट अफेयर्स को एनालिसिस करिवे दुई प्रकार क्वेश्चन आपण को जनरली देखिबा को मिलिबो। गोटे होउछि कोन आज इट इज करंट अफेयर्स जहां भी न्यूज रे अछि ता ऊपर से माने क्वेश्चन पचरछन एक्जेक्टली जो न्यूज रे अछि ता ऊपर ही क्वेश्चन पचरछन जोटा कि हम करंट अफेयर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कहि परिबा। आउ गोटे टाइप रो क्वेश्चन आसे करंट अफेयर्स जदि न्यूज रे को गोटे टॉपिक टे अछि से करंट अफेयर्स ऊपर क्वेश्चन न आसे कि दे डू आस्क फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पोर्शन यानी कि तार जो अपन सिंपली कहि परिबे से न्यूज रो जो बैकग्राउंड अछि स्टार्टिंग पोर्शन रो अछि मध्य क्वेश्चन आसे सेति पई हमें चेष्टा करू दुईटी जगह एस्पेक्ट्स को डायमेंशन को कवर करी कि करंट अफेयर्स को कंप्लीट करिवा पई। सो दैट्स द पॉइंट कि आपण न्यूज को एज इट इज हिसाब रे भी क्वेश्चन हमरो एनालिसिस रे देखिबा को मिलिबो प्लस आपण को स्टार्टिंग पार्ट रो भी क्वेश्चंस हम एनालिसिस रे देखिबा को मिलिबो। ठीक अछि चलो स्टार्ट करिबा ओपीएससी ओसीएस प्रीलिम्स 2024 मंथली करंट अफेयर्स एमसीक्यूज अक्टोबर। ठीक अछि जो मन हमरो फाउंडेशन संकल्प बैच जॉइन करिबा पई चाहुचंती एडमिशंस प्रोसेस चली 20th नवेम्बर हूँ लास्ट डेट एडमिशन रो तेणु आप जॉइन करि परिबे एवं जॉइन करिबा पई कोड डेफिनेटली यूज करिबे टू गेट द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट। देखो ऑलरेडी डिस्काउंटेड अछि बट फर्दर डिस्काउंट पई आपण कोड यूज करिबे जेएन लाइव टू गेट द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट। ओके लेट्स मूव और लेट्स स्टार्ट। प्रथम क्वेश्चन हमें देखिबा। प्रथम क्वेश्चन आपण सामने रे नेचुरल कैलामिटीज उपरे नेचुरल कैलामिटीज आपण माने जानिथिबे रेगुलरली आपणकर साइक्लोन दाना एथरा जमती हितला तापर क्वेश्चन अछि चलंतु देखिबा। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग natural calamities in Odisha. Odisha is not prone to flood. Odisha is affected by temperate cyclone. In 1966, the Nonka famine killed a third of Odisha's population. Which of the following are correct? यानी कि जो statements गुडी को अछि समान का भितरो कोटा correct अछि। ठीक अछि फर्स्ट आपण देखंतु ओडिशा इज नॉट प्रोन टू फ्लड। फ्लड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सीजन रे आपण को स्मॉल मीडियम लेवल रे किछ ना किछ फ्लड देखिबा को मिले सो इट्स इनकरेक्ट आपण कहि परिबे। ओडिशा इज अफेक्टेड बाय टेम्परेट साइक्लोन अगेन से क्वेश्चन पचरुछि ओडिशा इज अफेक्टेड बाय द टेम्परेट साइक्लोन। टेम्परेट साइक्लोन कोन टेम्परेट साइक्लोन होछि आपनकर जोटा कि जदि आपण अर्थ रो जो डेमार्केशन को देखिबे 0 डिग्री अछि 23.5 अछि एंड देन द 66 डिग्री अछि तो टेम्परेट ये होछि 23.5 होछि जो ट्रॉपिकल जोटा हमें कहूचे एवं एटा होछि आपनकर टेम्परेट अछि। सपोज जे ओडिशा इज अफेक्टेड बाय द टेम्परेट साइक्लोन। ओडिशा इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय द टेम्परेट साइक्लोन रादर इट इज अफेक्टेड बाय द ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन। ट्रॉपिकल आपनकर जानिथिबे साइक्लोन को हमें दुई भाग रे विभक्त करिचे गोटे होछि ट्रॉपिकल आ गोटे होछि टेम्परेट। ट्रॉपिकल आ गोटे होछि टेम्परेट। ठीक अछि तो ओडिशा कहा द्वारा अफेक्ट होछि ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन द्वारा अफेक्ट होछि। ठीक है आपण देखिथिबे अप्रैल मासरे गोटे साइक्लोन हमको देखिबा को मिले आ गोटे आपण देखिबे अक्टोबर मासरे गोटे साइक्लोन देखिबा को मिले। अप्रैल एंड अक्टोबर ये होछि ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन तेणु से हिसाब रे देखिया गले सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट। In 1966, the Nonka famine killed a third of Odisha's population. 1966 Nonka दुर्भिक्ष आपण कहि परिबे killed a third of Odisha's population. देखो तो स्टेटमेंट को Nonka famine तो आपनकर थिला Nonka famine तो थिला एवं से थर्ड पॉपुलेशन को पॉपुलेशन तार विक्टिम हेतिले किल्ड ऑफ थर्ड पॉपुलेशन बट ये 1966 रे नथिला इथिला 1866 रे इथिला केबे ना 1866 रे थिला ठीक अछि 1866 रे नॉन्क फेमाइन जोटे कि वन थर्ड पॉपुलेशन को तांकर डेथ हेतिला तबे एठी आंसर कोन अछि देखो आंसर जदि आपण देखिबे एठी ऑप्शन आंसर रे नाही कि नॉन ऑफ द अबव कारण तीनोटे भितरु कोटा भी ठीक नो है आंसर होची नॉन ऑफ द अबव फर्स्ट भी आंसर नुहे सेकंड भी आंसर नुहे थर्ड भी आंसर नुहे थर्ड करेक्ट हेई पर थांदा जदि एठी 18 लिखाई थांदा 1866 जदि एटा 1866 जदि मिसप्रिंट वे अछि तबे भी ऑप्शन आपण देखिबे डेफिनेटली आपण को कोठी कोठी को गोटे ऑप्शन ने 3 ओनली दबा को पड़े थांदा तबे जे कि आंसर करेक्ट हेई थांदा ठीक अछि करेक्ट को आमे देखिबा करेक्ट होची कोन ना ऑब्वियसली बी नुहे आपण जानिथिबे एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिबा हमें देखिबा कोन ना हेवी रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग द मॉनसून सीजन कैन लीड टू फ्लडिंग especially in the river basins like Mahanadi, Subarnarekha, Brahmani. River system combined with heavy rains cause recurrent floods in many parts of the state. Odisha has a long history of devastating cyclones. Odisha has a long history of devastating cyclones. The state is in a tropical cyclone prone region, especially during the monsoon and the post monsoon season. So April to November टाइम जोन रे तो आपण देखिबे टाइम पीरियड रे बट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस रे इधर आपण को अप्रैल रे देखिबा को मिलिबो नले आपण को नवंबर रे देखिबा को मिलिबो सॉरी नॉट नवंबर अक्टूबर 1866 one of the most devastating famines known as Nonko famine visited Odisha killing a third of its population. Subsequently, Famine Commission was formed and its recommendation constitute an important milestone in the economic history of Odisha. तेणु ये होची explanation आपनकर next आमे जिबा next question प्रथम statement देखंतु Odisha State Disaster Management Authority was earlier named Odisha State Disaster Mitigation Authority. ठीक है It was established after the 1999 super cyclone. Its headquarters is located at Cuttack and has jurisdiction over the whole state. ठीक है ठीक है तो से कौन पचारुची ओडिशा स्टेट करेक्ट हमको पचारुची ओडिशा स्टेट डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी was earlier named as Orissa State Disaster Mitigation Authority. तो आगुरु यार ना कौन थिला Orissa Disaster Mitigation Authority. Second से कोची it was established after the 1999 super cyclone. After the 1999 सुपर साइक्लोन जदि आपण कहिबे तब ऑफ कोर्स यस बट एग्जैक्टली जदि आपण देखिबे केबे सेटा को फॉर्म करा जायतला एटा को फॉर्म करा जायतला 2008 रे एटा को फॉर्म करा जायतला 2008 रे नाउ नेक्स्ट से प्रश्न पचारुची इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड एट कटक हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड एट कटक and has jurisdiction over the whole state. Definitely jurisdiction is over the whole state, but the headquarter is not at Cuttack, rather it's in Bhubaneswar. Right? So answer is what? Answer is first and second. Answer is first and second. So A is the correct answer. Okay? Explanation देखिबा हमें Orissa State Disaster Mitigation Authority. The name of the authority was changed from Orissa State Disaster Mitigation Authority to Odisha State Disaster Management Authority in 2008. Odisha State Disaster Management Authority was set up by the government of Odisha as an autonomous organization in 1999. Okay, in the intermediate aftermath of the super cyclone in 1999. So name change करा जायथिला 2009-8 रे बट ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को सेटअप करा गला ये हूँ सुपर साइक्लोन जो 1999 रे हितला तापर it was registered under the Societies Registration Act of 1860 as a non-profit making charitable institution for the interest of the people of Odisha with its headquarter at Bhubaneswar jurisdiction over the whole state. Okay. Next question. Consider the following statements. Hirakud Reservoir was declared a Ramsar site in 2021. ठीक है जी, Hirakud Reservoir was declared as a Ramsar site in 2021. Sir Hawthorne Lewis, the governor of Odisha, laid the foundation stone of Hirakud Dam in 1946. Rajans Island is located in Hirakud Reservoir. तीनोटी स्टेटमेंट अच्छी, तीनोटी स्टेटमेंट रो आमे एटे डिस्कस करिबा. हीराकुद रिजर्वर जो अच्छी ताको रामसर साइट हिसाब रे अक्टोबर 2021 रे रामसर साइट रो स्टेटस तक मिलिथिला. अक्टोबर 2021 रे रामसर साइट रो स्टेटस तक मिलिथिला. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 जदि आपण देखिबे हाथरन लुइस जे थिले गवर्नर ऑफ ओडिशा थिले से समय रे 1946 रे गवर्नर ऑफ ओडिशा से थिले, तेणु से फाउंडेशन स्टोन लेड करथिले, यानी कि जो तो कौन कहती फाउंडेशन स्टोन यानी कि प्रतिष्ठा करिबा जोटा हमको. ठीक अछि. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट से कहूची राजहंस आइलैंड इज लोकेटेड इन हीराकुद रिजर्वर. राजहंस आइलैंड अच्छी कोट, राजहंस आइलैंड अच्छी आपनकर चिल्का. राजहंस आइलैंड आपनकर कोट अछि चिलिका. ओके. सो इट आंसर आपनकर कोन हो? आंसर होची आपनकर ए 1 and 2. आंसर होची आपनकर ए 1 and 2. ओके. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिबा. On 15 March 1946, Sir Hawthorne Lewis, the governor of Odisha, laid the foundation stone of the Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Reservoir was declared a Ramsar site 12th October 2021. A project report was submitted to the government June 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru laid the first batch of concrete on 12th April 1948. Rajans Island is located at the confluence of Chilika Lake and the Bay of Bengal. Cattle Island, Bat Island, Sunset Island, etc. are located in the Hirakud Reservoir. Cattle Island विषय स्टोरी आपण सुनिथिबे. Cattle Island कोन पई कहवा जाय, जो इनहाबिटेंट्स माने थिले जेतबेले बिल्ड करागला सेमानको डिस्प्लेस करागला एंड दे हैव बीन रीलोकेटेड. तो बहुत गुडे फैमिली सेमानकर कैटल सहित यानी कि सेमानकर जो डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स थिले, खास कर डेयरी एनिमल्स जो माने तांको सहित सेमाने रीलोकेट करि पार नथिले, सेमानको सेमाने नै कि जाई पार नथिले, जा फलरे कि से गुटे आइलैंड टाइप रो सिटी थिला जोटी कि सेमाने रही गले. सिट पई सेटाको कैटल आइलैंड बोली कहवा जाय. ठीक अछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जिबा. Which of the following statements accurately describe the climate classification of Odisha? Climate classification of Odisha. First statement. Odisha has a tropical monsoon climate characterized by high humidity. Substantial rainfall during the monsoon season. It has a tropical monsoon climate characterized by high humidity and substantial rainfall during the monsoon season. The state experiences 3 main seasons: winter, summer and monsoon, with moderate rainfall in all seasons. Odisha's climate is classified as arid with very low annual rainfall extreme temperature variations. तेबे आंसर एठी कोन हबो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को एग्जामिन करिबा हमें फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट कोची ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून क्लाइमेट हाई ह्यूमिडिटी and substantial rainfall during the monsoon season. Is it true or false? It's absolutely true. Substantial rainfall हमको देखिबा को मिले जून ठो आरंभ करिकि सेप्टेम्बर पर्यंत मॉनसून सीजन रे ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून क्लाइमेट बोली ताको कुआ जाय এবং हाई ह्यूमिडिटी कंटेंट भी थाए. The state experiences three main seasons. Main तीनटी मुख्य ऋतु यानी कि सीजन्स हमको देखिबा को मिले winter, summer and monsoon with a moderate amount of rainfall देखिबा को मिले. Arid climatic conditions बोली से कहूची थर्ड स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट absolutely correct. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट जो कहूची क्लासिफाइड एज एरिड एरिड नुहे इंस्टेड एटा को हमें कौन कुआ जो ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून कैटेगरी रे ही रखा जाई छी. ट्रॉपिकल मॉनसून कैटेगरी यानी कि फर्स्ट और थर्ड अपन देखिबे से परस्पर को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करूची. बोथ दीज स्टेटमेंट्स are contradicting each other. Both these statements are contradicting each other. Okay. Third statement होची incorrect. तेनु आंसर होची कौन 1 and 2. आंसर होची एठी 1 and 2. Explanation देखिबा. Odisha has a tropical monsoon climate which means experiences warm temperature year round and high humidity. The region is significantly impacted by southwest monsoon which brings substantial rainfall from the June to September. Odisha has three main seasons: summer, March to May, monsoon, June to September, and winter, October to February. The summer season is typically hot with temperature rising significantly, and the monsoon season brings most of the annual rainfall. तेणु मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल जो आपनकर को समय देखा मिले मॉनसून सीजन रे ही हमको देखा मिले मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल. तेणु एटा एरिड नुह एरिड क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस नुहे मॉनसून क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस. एरिड क्लाइमेट्स आर कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय वेरी लो एनुअल रेनफॉल एंड आर मोर टिपिकल ऑफ डेजर्ट रीजन. ओके एरिड क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस होची मोर ऑफ डेजर्ट रीजन. आंसर होची आपनकर कोन ना ए. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following districts of Odisha do not form a part of the coastal plain? Do not form a part of the coastal plain. Answer देखिए कौन coastal plain भद्रक, केंद्रापड़ा, खोर्धा. All these three belong to the coastal plain. गोटे डिस्ट्रिक्ट जोटा कि कोस्टल प्लेन अंडर आसुना ही that is known as Malkanagiri. Malkanagiri does not belong to coastal plain. Coastal plains region includes districts such as Balasur, Bhadrak, Cuttack, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapada, Puri, Ganjam, Khordha. The climate is humid and hot, with high rainfall averaging 1500 to 1600 millimeter annually due to the southwest monsoon. Summers are warm 30 to 40 degrees Celsius and winters are mild. Okay. So coming to the next question. Next question is, which of the following statement is true about festival of Kumar Purnima in Odisha? Kumar Purnima in Odisha festival विषय question अच्छी. कुमार पूर्णिमा. Kumar Purnima is celebrated on the full moon day in the Hindu month of Ashwin या Ashwina मास बोली जोटा हमें को Ashwina मास, marking the end of the monsoon season. On this day, unmarried girls pray to the moon and Lord Kartikeya, hoping for a good husband in the future. The festival involves lighting oil lamps to celebrate the victory of good over evil. तो फर्स्ट होची कोन ना एक तो पूर्णिमा तेणु सेटा फुल मून डे दैट वी नो फुल मून डे एवं केबे सेटा को सेलिब्रेट करा जाए आश्विन जोटा कि इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टोबर रे जोटा कि आपन को देखिबा को मिले इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टोबर मेक मार्किंग द एंड ऑफ द मॉनसून सीजन तेणु से जो मंथ रू आमे जानू कि जो मॉनसून सीजन टी अच्छी दैट इज सिंपली ओवर कंप्लीटेड just right after the monsoon season. On this day, unmarried girls pray to the moon and Lord Kartikeya, hoping for a good husband in the future. Is it correct? Of course, yes. Good husband in the future. So, second statement is also correct. Third statement जो अपन करो अच्छी, third statement होची lighting oil lamps. That is the common or famous Diwali festival. जोटा कि सही समय ही हमको देखा मिले तेज करेक्ट कोटा ए 1 and 2 ए हूँ करेक्ट 1 and 2 कुमार पूर्णिमा फॉल्स ऑन द फुल मून डे of the Hindu month of Aswina, typically October, which is right after the monsoon season. This festival is especially vibrant as it marks a seasonal transition in Odisha and celebrates prosperity and well-being. Unmarried girls in Odisha observe rituals dedicated to the moon and pray to Lord Kartikeya with hopes of finding a suitable life partner. The rituals symbolize aspirations for beauty, grace, and bright future. Lighting oil lamps as a symbol of the triumph of good over evil is not a part of the Kumara Purnima tradition. This is more of associated with the Diwali. Okay. Next. Which of the following statements are correct regarding causes of cyclones in Odisha? Regarding causes of cyclones in Odisha. Warm Bay of Bengal water. Second, seasonal wind pattern such as the southwest and northeast monsoon. Atmospheric instability due to high humidity and low wind shear. And frontal cyclonic storm. Okay. Frontal cyclonic storm. Main reason आपण कौन कहि परिबे? Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding the causes cyclones in Odisha? Incorrect से पचारुछि. Incorrect cause. Answer कौन होबा आपण? Answer होछि हमरो डी. आंसर होछि आपनकर डी. कारण डी जो फ्रंटल साइक्लोनिक स्टॉर्म से कहूछि से भली इवेंट हमको देखिबा को मिले नाही जोटा कि साइक्लोन रे बट बाकी जो रीजंस गुडी को अछि वार्म ऑफ बेंगल बे ऑफ बेंगल वाटर कारण पर देखितबे सी टेंपरेचर सर्टेन परसेंटेज रु गोटे सर्टेन परसेंटेज मेंटेन रहे या ताठो अधिका जाए जा फल सेठी लो प्रेशर क्रिएट हुए. सीजनल विंड पैटर्न जोटा कि साउथ वेस्ट मॉनसून जोटा अछि सीजनल विंड पैटर्न सेटा आपन को मॉनसून जते बेले आपन देखिबे आसीबे एंट्री करे इंडिया रे से समय रे आपन देखिबे साइक्लोनिक फॉर्मेशन लो प्रेशर अधिका हबार देखिबा मिले एवं सेटा साउथ वेस्ट मॉनसून ताको टुवर्ड्स इंडिया स्पेसिफिकली कोस्टल एरिया जोटा अच्छी ओडिशा एंड आंध्र सेठी की नहीं से आसे. Atmospheric instability due to high humidity and low wind shear. This is another factor. But incorrect जेहेतु से पचारुछि D होछि आपनकर incorrect. The Bay of Bengal has warmer sea temperature than other regions which fuels cyclone formation. Warmer waters cause more evaporation leading to large clouds and intense low pressure that can develop into cyclones. Geography and topography. Odisha's long coastline is directly exposed to cyclones originating in the Bay of Bengal. Many cyclones that form in the bay make landfall in Odisha or pass close by, causing significant impact. Climatic factors due to the monsoon and high atmospheric instability, that means high humidity and low wind shear, variation in the wind speed, and then of course the low pressure, frequency of low pressure and tropical cyclonic storm. Odisha falls in the tropical belt. ये होची फैक्टर्स गुड़िक विच इज नॉट ए फैक्टर दैट इज D1 फ्रंटल साइक्लोनिक स्टार. सो आंसर होची आपनकर डी. Coming to the next, how many leopards are present in Odisha? How many leopards are present in Odisha? Answer होची आपनकर कोन 669 leopards in Odisha. 669 leopards of Odisha. First leopard census report. First leopard census report जो अछि, as per that 669 leopards are there in Odisha. Next, Satkusya, consider the following statements. Satkusya Tiger Reserve is a tiger reserve located in the border of Anuggul and Noyagad district. Satkusya Gorge Wildlife Sanctuary was created in 1984. Satkusya Tiger Reserve was designated in 2021 and comprises the Satkusya Gorge Wildlife Sanctuary and the adjacent Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary. ठीक अछि. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को टिके एनालाइज करिबा. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट से कोची सातकुसिया टाइगर रिजर्व इज अ टाइगर रिजर्व लोकेटेड इन बॉर्डर ऑफ अनुगुल एंड नयागढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ठीक अछि, बॉर्डर ऑफ अनुगुल एंड नयागढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. तबे एटा को ठीक स्टेटमेंट या करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हमें कहि परिबा. सातकुसिया गॉर्ज वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी वाज क्रिएटेड इन 1976, not 1984, 1976. सातकुसिया गॉर्ज वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी 1976 रे एटाको फॉर्म करा जाइतला. टाइगर रिजर्व बोली केबे डिजिग्नेट करा गला 2007 रे. जो 2021 अछि एटाको 2007 रे डिजिग्नेट करा गला. ठीक अछि. तबे तीनोटी जाक स्टेटमेंट जदि आपण देखिबे, प्रथम स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट अछि एंड अदर टू स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट. अदर टू स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट. आंसर कोन हबो? आंसर होची आपनकर बी 1 ओनली. आंसर होची बी 1 ओनली. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखिबा. Satkusya Tiger Reserve is a tiger reserve located in the border of Anuggul and Noyagad district, covering an area of 988.30 square kilometer. Satkusya Gorge Wildlife Sanctuary was created in 1976. Satkusya Tiger Reserve was designated in 2007 and comprises Satkusya Gorge Wildlife Sanctuary and adjacent Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary. Located where the Mahanadi River passes through a 22-kilometer long gorge in the Eastern Ghat Mountain. Eastern Ghat Mountain. Okay. Next question देखिए. The Similpal Tiger Reserve is part of UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve since which year? को वर्षठू सिमिलपाल टाइगर रिजर्व को यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड नेटवर्क ऑफ बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व रो स्टेटस दिया जाइछि. यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड नेटवर्क ऑफ बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व रो स्टेटस दिया जाइछि केबेठू सिमिलपाल टाइगर रिजर्व को. से होछि आंसर. आंसर कोन? वर्ल्ड नेटवर्क ऑफ बायोस्फीयर स्टेटस केबेठू मिलिछि 2009 रो. केबेठू मिलिछि 2009 रो. STR is located within the Mayurbhanj district, Similpal Tiger Reserve, right? It is surrounded by high plateaus and hills, the highest peak being twin peaks of Khairiburu and Meghasini. दुईटी peak inside the Similpal Tiger Reserve ही अछन. Khairiburu and Meghasini. एटा को मन रखिए. टाइगर रिजर्व हिसाब रे डिक्लेयर केबे करा गला 1956 under the National Conservation Program Project Tiger in 1973. तापर कौन? Now the STR along with transitional area of 20 to 50 square kilometer was included in the part of World Network of Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in 2009. 2009 मसीह रे एटा को बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व यूनेस्को बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व रो स्टेटस दिया गला. ओके. Next question. What is the primary objective of the Utkarsh Odisha conclave? Primary objective of the Utkarsh Odisha conclave. Primary objective of the Utkarsh Odisha conclave. First statement देखिवा. To provide platform for discussing socio-economic growth and development strategies for the Odisha. Utkarsh Odisha रो उत्कर्ष ओडिशा मेन या उत्कर्ष ओडिशा कनक्लेव रो आगुरु जो ना थिला सेटा होची मेक इन ओडिशा, सेटा को ना दिया गला उत्कर्ष ओडिशा. देखिबा उत्कर्ष ओडिशा हिसाब रे फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट से कहूची डिस्कसिंग सोशियो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर ओडिशा. सोशियो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर ओडिशा. Second, to celebrate Odisha's cultural heritage, attract international tourism, to foster collaboration among policymakers, industry leaders and stakeholders to drive Odisha's progress. First से कुछ सामाजिक एवं आर्थिक व्यवस्था रे वृद्धि अभिवृद्धि कहले चलिबो, टूरिज्म को प्रमोट करिबा ता सहित जो माने स्टेक होल्डर्स माने अछंती सेमानकर रोल कोतर अछि ओडिसा रो विकास, ओडिसा रो प्रोग्रेस पय. आंसर इठी हमें कोन देखिबा. आंसर होची आपनकर सी होची आपनकर आंसर 1 and 3 काहे कि ना टूरिज्म पई एक्सक्लूसिव कोनोसी उत्कर्ष ओडिसा रे से जिंसटी नाही टूरिज्म पई. ठीक अछि. मेन होची कोन ना इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस. टू अट्रैक्ट मोर इन्वेस्टमेंट to the state, the government is all set to host the Utkal Odisha, जो कि Make in Odisha Conclave 2025 on January 28-29 to 2025. The mega investor meet is expected to attract business leaders, industry experts, policymakers, diplomats from around the world. The Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025 promises to be the largest ever industrial gathering in Odisha, building upon state's past successes. Utkarsh Odisha Conclave aims to facilitate discussions around the Odisha's socio-economic development and foster collaboration among key stakeholders such as policymakers, industry leaders, other influencers to explore opportunities for growth and progress in the state. Okay. Next. Who has been unanimously elected as the chairperson of the Pradyumna Bal Jayanti Samaroh Committee? Pradyumna Bal Jayanti Samaroh Committee. काहाकू चेयरमैन या अध्यक्ष भाव रे अनानिमसली इलेक्ट करागला, निर्वाचित करागला डॉक्टर गिरिधर गमांग. डॉक्टर गिरिधर गमांग, the former chief minister of Odisha. Giridhar Gamang has been unanimously elected as the chairperson of the Pradyumna Bal Jayanti Samaroh Committee. Unanimously elected in the sense कि केही भी oppose करी नथिले, समस्त चाहथिले कि डॉक्टर गिरिधर गमांग को ही अध्यक्ष बना जो. November 8 the committee will celebrate 92nd birth anniversary of visionary leader of Sri Pradyumna Bal, the founder, editor of Pragatibadi, soul of Keat and Keys, and an emblem of values-based politics and journalism. तो प्रगतिवादी रे जे फाउंडर थिले डॉक्टर या श्री प्रद्युम्न बल तांकर जो जयंती समारोह रो अध्यक्ष भाव रे गिरिधर गमांग को भी इलेक्ट करा लीछि. नेक्स्ट देखिबा. Consider the following statements. Baldev Jiu temple is a Hindu temple in Ichhapur, Kendrapada. Baldev Jiu is the main divinity in the temple. Answer यार कौन होगा देखिबा. First statement देखंतु. Baldev Jiu temple कोठी अछि केंद्रापड़ा रे अछि. Absolutely correct. Baldev Jiu is the main divinity in the temple. Balram Baldev Jiu पे ना होची Baldev Jiu बलराम होचिन तार main divinity deity. Correct कौन ना C both. Baldev Jiu temple is a Hindu temple in Ichhapur, Kendrapada. Baldev Jiu is the main divinity. His siblings Jagannath and Subhadra are also worshipped in the Ratna Singhasan in the main temple. It is believed that Khani Duran, the Subedar of Odisha, during the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb demolished the original temple of Baldev Ji in 1661 and built a mosque on the remains of the temple. The present temple of Siddha Baldev Ji was constructed during the Maratha rule 1761 of Ichhapur, Kendrapada. Okay. तो किसी additional information एटी दिया है। Next देखिए Odisha State Cooperative Milk Producers Federation, OMFED, is a state government cooperative. State government cooperative. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Cooperation of the central government. Okay. OMFED, obviously, Odisha State Cooperative Milk Producers Federation is a state government cooperative. Cooperative माने कौन? ଯେମିତି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ଅମୁଲ ଡେରି ହେଲା, ଓମ୍ଫେଡ୍ ହେଇଗଲା। କୋଅପରେଟିଭ ହେଉଛି ଗ୍ରୁପ ଅଫ୍ ପିପଲ ଦେ କମ୍ ଫରୱାର୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ଏ ଭେଞ୍ଚର। ତ ଏଠି ଓମ୍ଫେଡ୍ ସରକାରୀ ଓନ୍, ତାମାନେ ଓମ୍ଫେଡ୍ ହେଉଛି ମିଲ୍କ ଫେଡେରେସନ, ଡେରି ଫାର୍ମିଂକୁ ପ୍ରମୋଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଏଠି ଆନ୍ସର କ'ଣ ହବ? ଆନ୍ସର ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଦ ଓନରସିପ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଅଫ୍ କୋଅପରେସନ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ। ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏ one only. Kahingi? Now this is not correct. The Odisha State Cooperative Milk Producers Federation is known as OMFED, is a state government cooperative under the ownership of Ministry of Cooperation, Government of Odisha. It is situated in Bhubaneswar, the state capital of Odisha. It is an apex level milk producer federation in Odisha, registered under the Cooperative Societies Act 1962. So obviously this is registered under the Odisha Cooperative Societies Act 1962. So it's not under the union government, rather than the state government. OMFED was established based on Amul pattern under the Operation Flood 2, the National Dairy Development Board, for promoting production and procurement, processing and marketing of milk and milk products, initially in undivided districts of Puri, Dhenkanal, Keonjhar and Cuttack. So अमूल बेस्ड ही ये स्कीम टी थिला या ये इनिशिएटिव को लॉन्च करा जायथिला। नेक्स्ट देखिबा The central government is planning to organize the 18th प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस at प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस को सहर रे अनुष्ठित हेबो से होची भुवनेश्वर प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस। ओके। Union Minister of Dharmendra Pradhan on Saturday said the central government is planning to organize 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Bhubaneswar in January next year. The Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is being celebrated on January 9th every year since 2003 to mark the contribution of overseas Indian community in the development of India. Okay. 2023 रो जो थिला आपनकर प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस सेटा के कोड सेलिब्रेट करा जायतिला इंदौर रे 24 रे सेटा सॉरी 25 रे करा जाउची भुवनेश्वर रे। ओके। एवं प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस को कहीं के सेलिब्रेट करा जाए ऑन द मेमोरी ऑफ व्हाट महात्मा गांधी ओडिशा आसीथिले सॉरी महात्मा गांधी इंडिया आसीथिले साउथ अफ्रिका रो सेति पय सेटा को द मेमोरी ऑफ दैट एटा को सेलिब्रेट करा जाए। नेक्स्ट, व्हिच कंपनी हैज नाउ अज्यूम्ड फुल ओनरशिप ऑफ कलिंगा लैंडसेट्स? Kalinga Landsets, ownership of Kalinga Landsets, that is Vedanta. Ownership of Kalinga Landsets, that is Vedanta. Ahead of the return of Hockey India League, Vedanta Limited has announced its acquisition of Kalinga Lancers, the former champions of the prestigious tournament. The acquisition took place at an event in New Delhi. The Bhubaneswar-based franchise Kalinga Lancers was previously co-owned by Odisha Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation (IDCO) and Mahanadi Coalfield Limited. Vedanta Alumina has now assumed full ownership of Kalinga Lancers with an aim to further build off team's legacy of excellence. The Odisha University of Health Sciences Medical University has been formed in which year? is formed in which year? Odisha University of Health Sciences and Medical University, that has been formed in which year? 2023. Formed in which year? 2023. Odisha University of Health Sciences is a public state medical university located in Bhubaneswar, established in 2023 by an act of Odisha Legislative Assembly. By an act of Odisha Legislative Assembly, Odisha University of Health Sciences has been established on 5th March 2023. It aims to cater the much needed quality in medical education for the state of Odisha as an affiliating university. Much needed quality in medical education for the state of Odisha. Which state has won the first prize in the category of best state? Which state has won the first prize in the category of best state in the 5th National Water Award 2023? First prize को category रे ओडिशा को मिलिची या first prize को state को मिलिची 5th National Water category रे सेटा होची आपनकर ओडिशा. National Water Award. National Water Award. 5th National Water Award 2023 were announced in New Delhi. Odisha has bagged the first prize in the category of Best State, followed by Uttar Pradesh in the second category. Gujarat and Puducherry have jointly secured the third position. President Draupadi Murmu will confer the 5th National Award 2023 the 22nd October at 11 am. Plenary Hall, Vigyan Bhavan. So it has already been given. Okay, next question. Which district has won the first prize in the category of Best District in the 5th National Water Award? 5th National Water Award. Which district? Which district? That is Balangir. Odisha Balangir. Balangir district has won the first prize in the category of Best District in the 5th National Water Award 2023. Major achievements of the district in the field of water conservation during 2023 include creation of 167 river embankments, 141 hectare of plantation with soil and moisture conservation done under the Green Mahanadi mission. Further, construction of around 260 farm ponds, 170 check dam, 160 diversion wells, 1320 water harvesting structures, 460 percolation tanks and 670 groundwater recharge structures have also been undertaken. Okay. Next question. Odisha government has formed a high-level task force to propose extensive measures for tackling the problem of distress migration within the state. The task force has been led by Odisha government has formed a high-level task force to propose extensive measures for the tackling the problem of distress migration. जो distress migration होची to other states ताकू tackle करिवा पाई को पर्सन का अंडर रे गोटे टास्क फोर्स को गठन करा जायछि. से टास्क फोर्स को गठन करा जायछि केवी सिंहदेव का अंडर रे. Odisha government has formed a high-level task force led by Deputy Chief Minister KV Singhdev to propose extensive measures for tackling the problem of distress migration within the state. Members of the task force include Deputy CM Prabhati Parida, Panchayat Raj Minister Rabi Naik, several ministers, the Chief Secretary, Development Commissioner and secretaries of different departments. The task force is empowered to enlist experts of both national and international acclaim, alongside academics, development experts, UN agency representatives who may be invited to participate in the meetings as necessary. Okay, KV Singhdev. Next question. Odisha government has formed a high-level task force to propose extensive measures for tackling the problem of distress migration within the state. The headquarters of the task force will be located at the headquarters, यानी कि simply आपण एटी कहि परिबे को डिपार्टमेंट अंडर रे एटा को मैनेज करा जाउची या टास्क फोर्स को गठन करा जाइची या हेडक्वार्टर कोठी रहबो द पंचायत राज एंड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर डिपार्टमेंट द पंचायत राज एंड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर डिपार्टमेंट the headquarters for the task force will be the panchayati raj and drinking water department which will hold meetings at least biannually to monitor advancement. The committee will assess migration trends by the region, recommend targeted interventions accordingly. Okay, so answer is A. Consider the following statements. Nabarangpur district is famous for Chhatar Jatra. Nabarangpur district is famous for Chhatar Jatra. And thousands of animals are sacrificed in the Jatra. Which of the following is incorrect? So it's asking incorrect one. Incorrect. छतर जात्रा होची मानिकेश्वरी छतर जात्रा belong to the मानिकेश्वरी and भवानीपाटना कलाहांडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट द कोठी करो भवानीपाटना कलाहांडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट भवानीपाटना कलाहांडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट okay. Thousands of animals are sacrificed in the jatra. That is correct. So answer is what? Answer hochi incorrect se pachadchi to A1 only. A1 only. Thousands of animals were sacrificed at the Bhavanipatna in Kalahandi district, Odisha during the celebrated Chhatar Jatra of goddess Manikeswari. The age-old tradition integral to the Durga Puja festivities involved public animal sacrifices. Next. The Gramoda initiative launched by the state government is primarily aimed at. The Gramoda initiative launched by the government primarily aimed at extending welfare program benefits to districts affected by left-wing extremism. Second, covering a total of 583 villages spread across various left-wing extremism impacted districts. Third, implementing the scheme exclusively in the urban areas to counteract left-wing extremism. Which of the following are correct? So correct pachurch. First, the Gramoda initiative. Extending welfare program benefits to districts affected by the left-wing extremism. Urban area पे नु है specifically left-wing extremism area covering a total of 583 villages spread across various left-wing extremism impacted districts. Okay, villages almost around 10 districts रे आपन को देखिबा को मिलियो तो आंसर हो जे आपन को A1 and 2 only not the 3 को incorrect बोली कहि परिबे. So next देखिबा Gramoda initiative is especially designed to support rural areas and districts affected by the left-wing extremism, not urban areas. Statement 1 and 2 accurately, correct, describe the purpose and scope of the program, which aims to reach 583 villages across 10 affected districts. Statement 3 is incorrect as the scheme targets rural villages rather than the urban villages. Next. The Odisha government decided to reopen the creches and feeding centers for the particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Because Odisha PVT's empowerment and livelihood improvement program director announced that the centers could resume operations. The center could resume operations. Second, the closure of these facilities on September 30 caused a demand from the National Right to Food campaign for their reopening. The center were closed down due to the permanent decision to end the Odisha PVTG Nutrition Improvement Program. So, government has decided to reopen creches and feeding center. PVTG community को पाई creches जो child care जो था जो मैंने मदर माने वर्क प्लेस रे काम करूचंदी वुमेन माने दे कैन टेक केयर दोर चिल्ड्रेन एट द वर्क प्लेस तेणु सेटा को रिओपन करा जिवो ता छड़ा आपण देखिबे फीडिंग सेंटर भी रिओपन करा जिवो तेणु से कोजी को स्टेटमेंट ही होजी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट जदि आपण देखिबे करेक्ट तेबे फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट तेणु आंसर होजी 1 and 2 third statement se kon kuchi the centers were closed down due to the permanent decision to end the Odisha PVTG nutrition improvement program. It's not that permanent decision, it was a temporary shutdown of this temporary decision eta niya jaithila. 1 and 2 are correct as OPLIP director Narayan Chandra Dhal announced reopening. The National Right to Food campaign advocated for it after the centers were closed without consulting the stakeholders. Statement 3 is incorrect because the closure of was temporary, pending a decision on the continuation of opening, not a permanent end to the program. Next. Consider the following statements. Dansei is a dance form of Santhal community. Dansei is a dance form of Santhal community. People of the Santhal community are dressed in white with peacock feather on their head gear to perform the dance. Third, when Mayurbhanj was princely state, the dance was formed at Rajbati. तीनोटी स्टेटमेंट अच्छी एंड को स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट आमे देखिबा सिकुची डांसे Danse is a form of dance, a dance form of Santhal community, belong to the Santhal community. मयूरभंज डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे खास करके अपन को एटा देखिबा को मिलिबो मयूरभंज डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो सांथाल कम्युनिटी मानन को पाखरे ये डांस कम्युनिटी अपन को देखिबा को मिलिबो सेकंड होची कोन ना विथ पीकॉक फीदर ऑन देयर हेड गियर टू परफॉर्म द डांस एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट and Mayurbhanj जेमति कहली एबे was performed as the Rajbati. So answer जदि आपण देखिबे D होची आपनकर आंसर 1 2 1 3 एटी देखिबा हमें explanation. Even as modernity has taken over almost every aspect of tribal community, Mayurbhanj district, particularly Santhals, are keeping their tradition alive by performing Danse, a dance form meant to appease goddess Durga. Durga Mata को appease करिबा पई erstwhile kings of the district, when it was a princely state, loved to watch dance during Durga Puja. Several dance troupes from Santhal community, dressed in white with peacock feather on their headgear, play musical instruments like Lau Tamba flute and brass ghan, dance around Baripada town. When Mayurbhanj was a princely state, the dance was performed as Rajbati, यानी कि जो पैलेस राजांगर पैलेस जोटा में कुछ राजबाटी नियर ग्रांड रोड द किंग यूज्ड टू वॉच द परफॉर्मेंसेस एंड हैव वे baskets of laddu and other goodies to the troops. Okay. Next question is about Operation Tribhuj recently launched by the Commissionerate Police during the Durga Puja festival, primarily focused on दुर्गा पूजा फेस्टिवल समय जो ऑपरेशन त्रिभुज लॉन्च करा जाइतला तारो प्राइमरी रीजन कौन थिला प्रिवेंटिंग ट्रैफिक कंजेशन बाय मर्जिंग 3 systems preventing traffic congestion by merging 3 systems. Okay. Operation Tribhuj aims to manage traffic congestion during the Durga Puja festival by combining 3 systems: CCTV cameras from Bhubaneswar Smart City Limited and police drone and police personnel with BHF sets. The initiative uses a multifaceted approach rather than relying on one method, such as only increasing CCTV cameras and deploying drones alone. तो multi-pronged approach adopt करा जायतिला to manage the traffic. Under the Shahid Madhu Singh Hatakharcha Yojana, Shahid Madhu Singh Hatakharcha Yojana, tribal students in secondary grades in government and government aided schools are eligible for a financial incentive if they meet certain conditions. Which of the following statements about the scheme are correct? The financial incentive of rupees 5,000 is provided to reduce dropout rates among tribal students transitioning to higher grades. The incentive is available to all tribal students irrespective of family income. The one-time incentive is only provided to students after they enroll in their new classes to ensure regular attendance. So 5,000 rupees is provided financial incentive to reduce dropout rates among the tribal students transitioning to higher grades. बेसिकली सेटा को दिया जाउछि 9th ग्रेड रे एवं 11th ग्रेड रे कि 9th रे समान जाउछन्ति 10th को 11th रो जाउछन्ति 12th को तो एई क्रूशियल स्टेज रे समानकर एनरोलमेंट या ड्रॉप आउट रेट्स को कम करबा पई एनरोलमेंट को कंटिन्यू करबा पई से फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव दिया जाउछि से जो प्रश्न सेकंड स्टेटमेंट रे कहउछि अवेलेबल टू ऑल ट्राइबल स्टूडेंट्स इट्स नॉट ऑल ट्राइबल स्टूडेंट्स रादर द फैमिली इनकम व्हिच इज लेस देन 2.5 लाख 2.5 लाख टंकार लेस फैमिली इनकम पर एनम थिले से मानको दिया जाउछि दिस वन टाइम इंसेंटिव is only provided to students after they enroll in their new classes to ensure regular attendance. New classes to ensure regular attendance. So answer is what? 1 and 3 is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay. Explanation देखिबा. Hatakharcha 5,000 incentive to reduce dropout rates. Tribal students as they progress to higher grades. Disbursement occurring in their new classes. Incorrect because only tribal students whose family income is not more than 2.5 lakh per annum are eligible for the incentive. Next. Which of the following statements about the Lighthouse Tourism Festival held in Puri are correct? The festival organized by the Union Ministry of Port, Shipping, Waterways aim to promote lighthouse tourism in India. Lighthouse tourism. Okay. This is the first edition of the Lighthouse Tourism Festival with Puri being the first host city. Puri being the first host city. The festival includes various activities like sand art, beach cleanup campaigns, cultural events to enhance the appeal of the lighthouses. तीनोटी स्टेटमेंट अछि देखिबा कोटा करेक्ट कोटा इनकरेक्ट फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को देखंते फेस्टिवल एटा को किए कंडक्ट करूची लाइट हाउस टूरिज्म को प्रमोट करबा पई सेत पई लाइट हाउस फेस्टिवल ऑर्गेनाइज करा जाउची बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पोर्ट्स शिपिंग एंड वाटरवेज ओके सेकंड जो कोजी दिस इज द फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ द लाइट हाउस टूरिज्म फेस्टिवल विथ पुरी बीइंग द फर्स्ट होस्ट सिटी यप इटा फर्स्ट एडिशन नो है इटा होची सेकंड एडिशन कारण फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑलरेडी इट वाज लाइक ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ऑलरेडी हे सारी जे कोठी फर्स्ट हेतला गोवा रे सेकंड होची पुरी रे फर्स्ट हेतला आपनकर गोवा रे सेकंड होची आपनकर पुरी रे थर्ड द फेस्टिवल इंक्लूड्स वेरियस एक्टिविटीज लाइक सैंड आर्ट beach cleanup campaigns, cultural events to enhance the appeal of the lighthouses. So answer is 1 and 3, C only. Okay, C is the correct answer. Ministry of Port and Shipping, Waterways, Tourism, okay, cultural events, beach art, etc. And first was held in Goa. Next. Who was crowned as the second runner-up in the Mrs. India Middle East Beauty Pageant 2024 held in Dubai? Second runner-up. Okay. So who was the second runner up? Aradhana Das, middle east रे जो आपनकर मिसेस यानी कि मैरिड मिसेस इंडिया मिडिल ईस्ट ब्यूटी पीजेंट 2024 held in Dubai. Aradhana Das. Aradhana Das from Odisha achieved the second runner-up position in the Mrs. India Middle East Beauty Pageant 2024 held in Dubai. She is notably the first Odia woman to reach the podium in this prestigious event, which is dedicated to celebrating the beauty and talent of married Indian women residing in the Middle East. So answer is B. Aradhana Das. Next. The recent roadshow held in Mumbai, led by Odisha's Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, was primarily aimed at announcing new policies for Odisha's educational sector, launching Odisha's first international trade fair, promoting Odisha as a key investment destination ahead of Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025, celebrating Odisha's achievement in the tourism industry. So, what government is planning? Promoting Odisha as a key investment destination ahead of the Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025, जोटा कि जनवरी मासरे ऑर्गेनाइज करबाको जाउछि. मेक इन ओडिशा कॉन्क्लेव से मेक इन ओडिशा रो ना तक दे दिया गला उत्कर्ष ओडिशा. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Which of the following statements about the Odisha ESIC Employee State Insurance Corporation initiative is correct? The success of the ESI scheme is dependent on joint efforts by the state and the central government. ESIC scheme currently covers all districts of Odisha and provides medical and cash benefits like death pension, maternity benefits, sickness benefits to eligible workers. ESIC beneficiaries in Odisha now have access to super specialty treatments and medical care under the convergence program with Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Okay. First statement, the success of the scheme dependent on the joint effort by the obviously central and the state government. Second statement se kuchi covers all districts. It's not all district. It's not all district. Both district रे वर्तमान सुधा सेट माने cover करी नांती 29 districts को already cover करी सालेनी. Beneficiaries in Odisha now have access to super specialty treatments and medical care under the convergence program with Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Answer is what? Answer होची आपनकर 1 and 3. That is the C. Okay. This is incorrect. 29 district implement hichi. Both is still pending. Next. Which of the following statements about the recently unearthed Hero Stone in Junagadh, Kalahandi are correct? Hero Stone in Junagadh and Kalahandi are correct. The Hero Stone depicts a figure holding a sword in the left hand and is sealed in the right, symbolizing bravery in suppressing an uprising. 600 year Hero Stone found in Junagadh is inscribed in Proto-Odia script and likely dates back to Gongo dynasty. Junagadh has been a significant political center with historical ruins from various dynasties including Gongo and Kalachuri dynasties, has a history of multiple hero and Sati stones being discovered. Which of the following is correct? Okay. First statement को जदि आपण देखिबे, first statement को देखंतो आपण, the hero stone found in the Junagadh is inscribed in the Proto-Odia script, dates to Ganga dynasty. Junagadh is indeed a historical significant area with ruins from multiple dynasties. One statement, या first statement होची incorrect काहेंकि ना hero figure on the stone holds a sword in the raised right hand and sealed in the left hand, not other way around. यानी कि उल्टा कर दिया गला, माने right hand रे जो अपन sword लेफ्ट हैंड होची सील्ड जोटा ढाल आम कहूँ बट से उल्टा करके पचरा गला तेणु यहाँ इनकरेक्ट कर दिया गला आंसर होची आपनकर C213 ओके who received the sports Logan player of the year sports award 2024 at Kalinga stadium sports Kishore Kumar Jena who received the sports Logan player javelin sensation of Odisha Asian Games silver medalist Kishore Kumar Jena received the Sports Logan Player of the Year Sports Award 2024 at Kalinga Stadium. In other categories, para athlete Suchitra Parida and football coach Subendu Panda received the Emerging Player and Coach of the Year awards respectively. Suchitra set a new national record in javelin throw event in 2024. Next. Which sports personality of the state recently got Kumudini Krida Pratibha Puraskar? Kumudini Krida Pratibha Puraskar. Answer simply Uji Mannata Misra. Mannata Misra. Young swimming star of the state Mannata Misra got the Kumudini Krida Pratibha Puraskar, received a cash award of 15,000 rupees. Cash award of 15,000 rupees. What is the primary goal of Project Urmi, recently launched by Utkal Alumina International Limited in Raigada and Kalahandi district? Project Urmi. To provide educational resources to school children in rural areas to enhance healthcare services and hygiene for over 5,000 people across villages. So Urmi जो लॉन्च करा जाइए कहा द्वारा उत्कल अलुमिना International Limited Raigada and Kalahandi district to enhance healthcare services and hygiene for over 5,000 people across 40 villages. 5,000 people across 40 villages. B is the correct answer. Okay. B is the correct answer. Project Urmi, launched by, focuses on improving healthcare, hygiene and life skills for more than 5,000 residents in 40 villages in Raigada and Kalahandi districts. Next question. Which of the following statements regarding food security challenge in Odisha is correct? Food security challenge. Approximately 29% of children under the 5 in Odisha are stunted, and malnutrition among mothers is a significant issue, particularly in the tribal areas. Second, emphasis on rain-fed agriculture has no impact on food security and malnutrition in Odisha. SOA has established research centers aimed at addressing climate resilience in agriculture to combat food security challenges. So answer जदि आपण देखिबे आंसर होची आपनकर 1 and 3 statements are correct. 1 and 3 statements are correct. Second statement is incorrect. Kahinki? Now, over dependence on rain, over emphasis on rain-fed agriculture has no impact on the food security. Of course, over dependence with rain upon rahibe that direct affects the food security. Data indicates around 29% of children in Odisha are stunted, highlighting significant malnutrition issues among children, mothers, especially in the tribal region. Additionally, SOA initiative to establish research centers for climate resilient agriculture aligns with addressing food security challenges. 2 is incorrect because over dependence on rain-fed agriculture directly impacts the food security and exacerbates malnutrition issues in the state. Okay. Next question. What are the key features of the Odia Lipi typing tool launched by the Odia Virtual Academy? Odia Lipi typing tool by the Odia Virtual Academy. First statement, Odia Lipi is Unicode typing tool designated to ensure typing accuracy, usability for the Odia language, multiple keyboard layouts for the user convenience. Second statement se kuchi, Odia Lipi tool specially uses यूनिकोड फंड्स नॉट आउटडेटेड 8-bit फंड सिस्टम ओके तेणु से सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट को आम इनकरेक्ट बोली कहबा से कहूँ ओनली द 8-bit फंड सिस्टम तो आउ सेटा 8-bit फंड सिस्टम यूज न करी से कौन करुछि यूनिकोड फंड यूज करुछि यूनिकोड फंड से इनकरेक्ट होची सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट एवं थर्ड स्टेटमेंट होची करेक्ट आंसर होची आपनकर 1 and 3 P is the correct answer 2 is incorrect Odia Lipi tool specially uses Unicode funds not the outdated 8-bit funds next question what are the main aspects of the new civil aviation policy cleared by the Odisha cabinet new civil aviation policy the policy provides financial incentive to airlines including validity gap funding for both domestic and international routes from several key airports in Odisha the policy aims to enhance air connectivity especially for underserved regions is expected to boost tourism and economic development in the state airlines are required to have a minimum aircraft capacity and 70 seats of domestic routes 200 for international routes under the new policy minimum capacity of 70 instead of 70 it is 50 okay setme third statement को से incorrect होजी first and second को से correct होजी यानी कि A is the correct one minimum seat capacity stipulated to 50 seats for domestic routes and 180 for international routes not 70 as 200 as mentioned तेणु numbers रे change ହେଇଛି तेणु third is incorrect 1 and 2 are correct from which reserve was the tigress relocated tigress relocation ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଠୁ सिमिलपाल को ହେଇଛି but କୋଉ ଜାଗାରୁ ହେଇଛି ताडोबा अंधेरी टाइगर रिजर्व रो ହେଇଛି ताडोबा अंधेरी टाइगर रिजर्व जोटा कि जमुना नामक गोटे टाइग्रेस को रिलोकेट करा जायतिला the tigress that was relocated to Similpal Tiger Reserve in Odisha originated from the Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra stated in the information provided about the relocation process okay next who among the following recently awarded with the prestigious Sarala Puraskar kahaku Sarala Puraskar apanଙ୍କର दिया जायछि Sarala Puraskar आंसर होची आपनकर सरोजिन दास आंसर होची आपनकर सरोजिन दास नहीं सरोजिन दास न सरोजिन साहू सॉरी सरोजिन साहू prestigious Sarala Puraskar was conferred on feminist writer which is B Sarojin Sahu for her novel Asthira Pada. She was presented a citation and cash reward of 7 lakh, part of the literary award instituted by Indian Metal Public Charitable Trust, Impact. The award was given away by renowned writer and academic Devdas Chotrai and trustee of Impact Paramita Mahapatra. The book was selected after 2 rounds of screening by eminent literatures of the state including Gaurihari Das, Bhagwan Jay Singh, तापस सामंतराय एंड बैजंती मिश्र सरोजिनी साहू सरला पुरस्कार तेणु जो मैंने प्रिपरेशन करने को चाहते संकल्प बैच रे से जॉइन करि परिबे प्रिलिम्स मेंस रे कंबाइंड बैच एडमिशन क्लोज हो 20th नवंबर रे जेन लाइव टू गेट द मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट ओके पीडीएफ फाइ आपण टेलीग्राम चैनल को एक्सेस करि परिबे पीडीएफ टेलीग्राम चैनल रे आपण को मिल जिवो स्कैन करके जॉइन करेंगे सेठी पीडीएफ आपण डाउनलोड करि परिबे फ्रीली ओके पुणे देखा आ गोटे नुआ वीडियो रे थैंक यू